Hi, my name is Juliet Foster. I am the Director for the Division of Veterans Affairs here in Jersey City. Today, I came out to support our Division of Injury Prevention and listen to the information on domestic violence. This was a great session. I really felt like we all engaged and that they pulled us in by the activities that they had, the questions that we were able to answer and provide our feedback on. And it's informative, right? And so it's extremely informative session. And then having Jenna here and sharing her story was so endearing. And I thought, what a great and beautiful way of tying this all together to really help people understand the importance of being able to help those in a domestic violence situation and to really know how to reach them.
Today was a day that we wanted to do a service information workshop for our employees here in Jersey City, not only to educate them, but also for some professional development as well. It was about domestic violence and how we can help those who are survivors. And I decided that I wanted to invite somebody who was a champion boxer, who's our local champion boxer here in Jersey City. Her name is Jenna Gagliotti. I wanted her to come here and talk about her personal story because I wanted to be able to show people that victims of domestic violence can have any kind of face, can be educated women, can be career-oriented women, and can be even athletic female boxers such as Jenna. I think it's really important to educate people about domestic violence. During COVID, it was at all-time high because a lot of people were with their spouses locked indoors for so long. And I think that really really made the mental health area of health a little bit more noticeable because of that particular situation. And I felt that it was really important to continue to educate people specifically on that topic. So I'm really, really grateful for Jenna. I'm really grateful for Antonia Costello, who's also our social worker who runs our Peaceful Families program, who's a specialist in this particular area. And I just wanted to convey that information to everybody and keep the message going.
I was invited out today to share my story about domestic violence. I want to thank the Division of Injury Prevention for having me speak my story today. Just as a reminder that it could happen to anyone. I hope that I've been able to inspire and motivate women and men to come forward and share your stories and find the help that you need. You can always go search the New Jersey Domestic Violence Hotline and remember that you are not alone.